Welcome to my channel Fairmount Pules. 7 signs digital overload is draining your energy, and how to stop it. Do you ever feel tired, stressed, or foggy, without doing much? The hidden culprit could be digital overload. Today, I'll share 7 warning signs, and what you can do about them. Constant screen time strains your eyes, causing dryness, headaches, and fatigue. Scrolling late at night confuses your brain's natural sleep cycle. If you can't concentrate for more than a few minutes, it's a red flag. Notifications spike stress and anxiety, leaving you emotionally drained. Hours vanish while you scroll. That time could fuel your goals instead. Too much screen time reduces real-life connections. Your brain overstimulation leads to constant fatigue. Set screen limits, take breaks, and try digital detox rituals. Small changes restore your energy. Don't let screens steal your energy. Reclaim your focus, your sleep, and your peace of mind. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.